Hello, Dr. Kemp here, the Hammond Doc. Along with my grandson, Little Austin, we're working on a Hammond AO28 preamplifier. And this organ is noisy, making much more noise than it should. This thing should be quiet, and it's not. So I said I got tired of that, so I'm going to take care of this preamp today. And we got to this third resistor in the power supply section of the preamp. And what did we find? What did we find, Little?
We found a yellow, brown, and black.
Yeah, a resistor in there that was showing that comes up on the color card is 41 ohms. 41 ohms. But according to the schematics,
it's supposed to be yellow, purple, and red, which is 4.7K.
4.7K. So it should be a 4.7K 1 watt resistor in that location. And certainly that's not what we have there. And this is showing at 1.5K. And it looks like a resistor that was installed in the factory. It looks no different than the others. Let me see here. Yeah. It looks factory installed. But according to the schematic, we should have a 4.7K resistor there. And so the wrong resistor is in this preamp. And therefore it is coming out of there and will be replaced by the appropriate resistor. Well, thank you, Little Austin, for finding that out for us. And we're going to continue our measurement of the resistors in this AO28. Until the next video, Dr. Kemp, along with Little Austin, saying to you, peace out.